Welcome to Council Collegiate School. Watch this video very attentively because you will learn new words in English. Before beginning the video, you haven't subscribed to our channel yet. Now you subscribe to it. Today, I introduce myself to you. My name is Sohel. My full name is Muhammad Sohel Rana. My first name is Muhammad. My middle name is Sohel and last name is Rana. I am known as Sohel. I was born on June 4, 1998. Now I am 28 years old. I am a Bangladeshi by birth. My father and my mother are both Bangladeshi. I live Council Bazaar, Raisinkel Upazila, ঠাকুরগাঁও district, Bangladesh. Thank you for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum.